Does your hair need CPR? Then the Healthy Hair Regimen Boosting Kit from The Main Choice is exactly what you need. It's a collection of uniquely developed products that contain a high concentration of strengthening, hydrating, and restorative ingredients to help rejuvenate dehydrated and weak hair and deliver relief from dry, itchy scalp. Beginning with the Mocha Molasses treatment, it's designed to minimize shedding instantly. The Mocha stimulates and rejuvenates hair follicles, and the molasses strengthens and reduces shedding. You apply it to dry hair before shampooing, making sure to apply to the entire hair strand. Leave it in for 30 minutes and then shampoo. I chose to use the Reconstructor since I had previously used heat on my hair before styling. The silk amino acids rebuilds the strands and minimizes moisture loss, and the keratin strengthens. Applying it to my freshly shampooed hair and combing through to evenly distribute the product. It can be left in for 15 minutes with heat and up to 30 minutes without heat, and is then rinsed with cool water. If you need the hydration boost, then definitely use the rehydration therapy. The sea kelp delivers supreme hydration, and the feverfew herb prevents hair loss. You would spray it into the hair after shampooing, including onto the scalp, massage it in, and leave in for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. And lastly, you would use the triglyceride and mint scalp renewal, which is formulated to dissolve residual debris and minimize dryness, flaking, and itching. The triglycerides nourish, moisturize, and renew the scalp, while the mint purifies, reduces itching and flakes, as well as balancing the pH. Apply it thoroughly to a cleansed scalp, section by section, and massage it in. You do not need to rinse this out. And then you style your hair as usual and enjoy the amazing results you'll achieve after rejuvenating and revitalizing your strands and scalp.